Hello everyone. Uh, I hope this is a quick live stream. I speak with my bad English in order to reach as many viewers as possible. So sorry from now for my bad English. Okay, I don't have time to edit the videos. I've also running out of space on my hard drive, so I had to live stream instead of recording and publish videos. Well, this afternoon I was going through all my donor boards to have a sort of inventory, which chip is on which board, which kind of EC, BQ chip, PD controllers, CPU, GPU, and so on. While inventorying stuff, I took measurements of the resistance of coils, main power line, and so on. And I came across this Lenovo board that I thought it was faulty, because it was in the pile of faulty boards. So after taking measurement, every coil seems to be fine, and so I said maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was a good board. So I tried to switch it on using the bench power supply and trying to capture in the video out of the HDMI port, but I didn't get any image. So it's possible is the RAM, it's possible is the HDMI port not working outside Windows, though I connected an external drive to try to load the Windows, but it didn't. So I don't know if it was stuck at some warning screen, such as I don't know, battery, no, I don't know, no hard drive detected. No, so I don't know. So I put this aside again. Then I remember I have a relic somewhere inside my boxes, and I found this, and this should be exactly a Lenovo V130 with a lot of missing parts, of course, but I also have a display cable. I should have a working display somewhere. So I said, why don't stop the inventory and try to start this board, test, check. I've seen this. This is missing the RAM memory, so probably the BIOS should be modified with that crazy software, probably. So I don't know. Just a quick test to see if it should meet boot post or not. Probably not. But anyway, it takes really few time. I will try first with the caps lock key, checking if it's working or not. Then if it's working, I will try to connect a display. So it will be a very quick video. I cannot even call it diagnosis, because I will not diagnose anything, just checking, nothing else. This black cable is mangled, is barn. Yeah. Look at this. I hope this working. Probably not. Oh, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, connecting as many things as possible. This looks upside down, but it's not. Okay. And the other should be, oh, you cannot see it. With a little motherboard with the how this is called, BIOS key, BIOS button probably, and some LEDs. So LEDs. Sorry for my English again. So let me put some screw to hold the board down. One here. Okay. And maybe another one here. It doesn't seem to work. No. Okay. Here it goes. Oh, big test. Okay, it's holding. So I don't have the power jack, so I have to use the bench power supply with its leads, so it will be tricky. Let's take a ground. Where? Maybe here? No? Here. Yeah. Seems good. I've already checked the left pin is plus. I don't want to connect before, no, after it is power on. Okay. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, it's starting by itself. The fan is spinning. CPU is still cold, not even warm. What about LEDs? Nothing here. No, there is one behind on the other side of the board. I don't know if you can see it, maybe without the light. It's be shut off. I probably moved. Okay, it's on again. Yeah, but I'm moving the lid here. Okay, while we'll try to switch on, I'll show you. I had to short the second MOSFET. It wasn't present on board, so that could be a problem if the power management chip checks for shorts, and probably it will. We stay at 30, 35, okay, 350 milliamps. Fan is still spinning. Now the problem is, how can I check the caps lock? Let me try. No, caps lock isn't working. Let me try with numlock. Oh, okay, I lost the positive. Okay. It's not coming on anymore. Pressing the download button and nothing happens. Okay, I don't know if okay, I wasn't there. It's still not there. Oh, there. Okay, now it is. Okay, the caps lock comes on when the laptop starts, but I cannot switch on or off after the first post. No good. Numlock isn't working. And the board is idling. I should try to connect a display probably, yeah. I cannot check with the keyboard. I'm not even sure I have all the voltages. Let me quickly try testing it. Oh. What we have here? Voltage here. 5 volts. 3.3. It's off again. Oh Lord. Let's start over. This should be the RAM volt, the RAM coil, or power supply, whatever. 1.2. 1 volt. One volt here, 1 volt here, 1 volt here too. This should be a PCH, or maybe not, because it's off. Still off. Okay, I've seen 0.7 for a while, and I'm not sure if I'm holding correctly the plus side. Hey, MVP. No problem. Thank you for being here, my friend. Really not a problem. It's a very, very short live stream. I cannot even call this test. Okay. Okay. The positive wire is getting warm, so it has power. Now I see 0.2 volts on this coil. Not sure what it is doing. What about the bias? 3.3. Okay. Everything seems to work, but I didn't get any image on the HDMI. so I need to connect the display. So off again. Let me find the display. I should have it here around. Yes, it should work. Let's see. Okay, right connector. Okay, and now let's see together. It's not coming on. Oh, I've seen something. Probably the backlight. Not sure. Let's see. Let's wait. Switched off. On again. But no picture. Let's wait just a little bit because we reset the BIOS. There isn't any battery BIOS, CMOS BIOS. I'm pretty sure I've seen something changing on the screen. Some polarization or backlight. But now it's sold in there. Oh, okay. Could be BIOS issue or easy chip or not working properly. Something like that, maybe. I don't think it's a RAM problem, but I can try another RAM stick. The quickest thing to test, of course. Yeah, no picture. Okay, so off again. Let me find a RAM stick here around. Yeah, this is working for sure, though it's 3200 megahertz. I'm not sure it is supported on this board. Oh, come on. Okay. Let me take out this one. Okay. RAM stick is in. And try another time. I seen another time something changing on the screen again, so it's probably BIOS issue. Yeah, I don't know if the previous owner did change the BIOS after removing the onboard RAM. I'm not sure, but the RAM memories aren't there anymore, so it should work anyway, and it is not, definitely. Okay, so no reason to go on this way. I will try a new BIOS and check again. Okay, I told you it would be a short one. So okay, we are done. Thank you for coming here, MXP. Thank you very much. Yeah, yeah, I agree a lot. Let me say, Lenovo has lots of BIOS problem. The good part is that usually they can be solved easily with the BIOS flash. So I hope the same for this one. Okay, thank you again, my friend. See you next time. Bye, everybody.